This is 5/4 Shop 100th box for creating the Soul Sampler box. So let's see what's in the 100th box of the Soul Sampler box, right? I wouldn't want to open this by myself because I want to share with you guys. Let's just see what 5/4 Shop put in their 100th box. I'm going to show you right here. It says Playful Summer, July 2024. So typically, in back of this little pamphlet right here, we will have our kind of like a discount code type thing. With this month, 5/4 Shop is giving 20% off one order. That means if you have something in your cart right now that you really, really want and you have to have, and you get this box, you go get it and get 20% off, okay? So this is our pamphlet that lets us know what's all in the box and how much they're worth or how much they cost. So this right here is a pattern that you can use in place of whatever is in the exclusive pattern. So I'm going to open the very first thing that jumps out at me. Right off here is, oh, I've never seen this before. Okay, well, it says Soul Sampler subscribers get this first. This is a paper piece for woven star. So it's a paper piece, and when you're done, the size will be 4.5, and then it'll be 4-inch finish. So the price for this woven star right here is $9.98. So this is what it looks like right here. Okay, and you would need this right here to make the pattern that we're about to see, which is the 100th exclusive pattern from 5/4 Shop. So like I said, you are gonna need this to make this stars right around it right here. And the price for this pattern is $9.98. And I'm going to go through it and show you. So here you go. You can make a table runner that looks something like this, or you can make a lap size that looks something like this, right? But if you don't want to make the lap size, you can actually make it like a little bit smaller than that, or you can make it bigger, however you want. You can play with it, add fabric of your liking. If you are going to sew the table runner, you will need the fabric in here. You will need 1.5 yards of background. You will need a 1/2 yard for binding, and that's all you have to add. Remember, friends, this is the sampler box. So you are not going to always expect for the box to come with everything you need to make a project. That's why the price point is where it is. And it's more economical for a lot of quilters because we can all look in our sewing room to add what we need to a project. If you're looking for a subscription box that offers more, you're gonna have to pay more because it'll have the project, it'll have what you need, it'll have the pattern, it'll have the finishing, it'll have everything, but you're gonna pay north of $40. I just wanna put that out there, okay? So the next thing in our box is our monthly sew along, and it is the Peaceful Basket. And so since the pattern and the measuring is on here, so this is what it's going to look like right here. So this is what your basket is going to look like. And let me show you the full view of it. So this is the full view of your basket. This is what it looks like. And this is block number 4. If this is your first time here, I want you to know that I am sewing these basket blocks. I'm sewing it in 2 different colorways, in a yellow and in the kit. So I want you to kind of see what it will look like. So that's why I'm doing that. I just kind of want to have it so that, and I've never made a basket block before. So I'll have one for me and one to give away. The price for this sew along pattern is $4.98. Now, there is something else in our box that, of course, it has to be turquoise. Now, I wish it wasn't turquoise. I wish it was pink. But, see, this is more of my color. So I wish it was this color right here, like this right here, and then a little bit of this. So I digress. But anyway, it's turquoise. It's saying Soul Sampler subscribers get it first. So this is what it looks like. It has a circle bottom. It's very high quality, and it has a heart right here. And it's made by Moda. It has 2 handles. It's really cute. It's about, I want to say, let me measure it for you. So this 1/4 inch ruler is 12 inches long. So I'm going to put it on like this so you can get an idea of how big this is. 12 inches right here, like this, okay? If you don't want to use this for anything, because I don't think it'll fit my groceries, if you want to use this in your sewing room, it'll be super cute. And this is called Small Stitch Love Maker Basket. That's what this is called. The price for this basket is $7.98. Okay. This right here is for people that love English paper piecing. This is a glue pen. So when you put it in back of on the paper, you stitch your fabric on there. Now I have this, and I have a ton of paper, English paper piecing paper and cutouts, because I thought I was going to love English paper piecing, and that was a thought. I still like it, but I only like it when I'm taking the kids out for like to swimming or game or stuff like that, so I can just sit there and not be idle. So that's the only time I do English paper piecing. This will come in handy for that. When this finishes all the way up and this part finishes, you can always refill it with another one. And it doesn't matter what colors, because they are all the same sizes. I kind of know that because I think I went through a few of these already. So there you go. The price for this pen is $7.48. So the next thing in our box, you guessed it, it is another turquoise. It is the 100th Soul Sampler Celebration bonus item. So this is a bonus item in our box this month. I added it to the total, okay? The price for this is $8.48. If you don't use this in your sewing room, you can use it as like makeup brushes. You can put your makeup brushes in here, and when it gets dirty, you can pull this out, you can rinse it. It's washable. So it can go like that, and you're not gonna break it or anything because it's silicone. So you can flip it open, you can wash it, and then this part is like this, and then you can slip it back on like that. So that's how you keep it clean. There you have it. Now, last but not least, it is the fabric. You get not one charm pack, not 2 charm pack, but 3 charm packs. So we have 3 charm packs here. Now these 3 charm packs right here are a little bit out of my wheelhouse as far as style, but I can appreciate the fabric. Now this would be so cute for like a little girl. And well, let me tell you who is the designer, right? The designer for this, Lizzie called McKay, and she designed for Moda. And this is what it looks like right here. It says 30s playtime. I knew it was, looking at this, looking at the introduction here, I knew it was gonna be something that's gonna be a little bit of a reproduction like. I don't know if I'm correct. But anyway, this is what the fabric looks like right here. Right here. So I'm gonna flip this back so that way you guys can see it. I don't wanna take it out because again, it's just gonna be everywhere. The white on white, it has this right here you can use for like a little girl. It has the yellow colorways, and it has like that. It has purple. You purple people out there love purples. And it has green, kind of like a murky green. And this is turquoise. This is cute. And this is the white of the turquoise. And it has red. There you go. And you come to the blue section of it. So this is blue, right? Like that. It is a charm pack. It's called 30s Playtime. You're more than welcome to go to the website and look at the colorways. I don't want to take it apart because it is a charm pack and you don't want to, I don't know, take it apart. It's just going to be, it's already like flaking everywhere already. The price for this 3 charm packs right here is $35.94. The total price for the entire items in our box this month without adding this bonus is $96.34. Now, if I add the price for this, which was $8.48. So with that being said, the entire price with this is $104.84 is our total this month, adding the bonus item because there was a price on it. So I went on ahead and added. Tell me in a comment down below. Let me know if you think for the 100 box, it was a wow box or it was a regular box. So, but I want to know what you think. Do I have a favorite? I do like this right here. Even though this is not my wheelhouse or style, I can appreciate the art. I'm going to use it to make something for someone here. And I also want to know down below if you guys are going to make this. And of course, I do enjoy getting our monthly sew along, because I am sewing along literally with every block. Tell me what your favorites are, because Fat Quarter Shop want to know. I hope you've enjoyed what is in the box this month. I am almost to that 2,000 subscriber line, so I would love it if you subscribe down below so we can have fun together. So with that being said, I am done unboxing the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler box for 2024, and this is the 100th box of the Sew Sampler box. Thank you so much for visiting with me today in my sewing room. I hope you are having a great day, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye.